Like test, 1, 2, 3. May I request all players to please proceed to your designated benches so we may proceed program proper.
Pag-pisket naman bola. Balik na.
Again, request all players to be in your designated benches so we may begin our second game of the night. Thank you very much. For the second game tonight is none other between the Kamayan Heat and the Paglis Blocking.
Kuya!
Once again, for the second game tonight between Kamayan Heat and the Paglis Blocking. Calling on the first fly for the Kamayan Heat. Wearing jersey number 5, Brian Briones. Wearing jersey number 17, Paul Molina. Wearing jersey number 34, Xavier Macroho. Wearing jersey number 27, Philip Atienza. And lastly, wearing jersey number 37, Alboy Sun. Next, coming in the first five for the Cabrins Kings, wearing jersey number 13, Andrew Knox. Wearing jersey number 27, Gibson Cole. Wearing jersey number 84, Boxer Bumacol. Wearing jersey number 11, Michael Busol. And lastly, wearing jersey number 13, Daxet Ascanio.
Publix. Tol, takot sa mga tol.
Get her two. Thank you.
So, good evening. Second game of the night. Side set 3 agad si Alboy. Layo nun. Xavier, nakapaghuli sa likod. Second game of the night between Kamayan Heat and the Publix Guapings. Actually, matagal na din natin hindi nakita si Sir Xavier nakapaglaro dito sa Wednesday League. Box sa labas. Hit check 3. And my special guest po tayo ngayon wearing jersey number 13, subbing in, replacing. Wow, replacing.
But same face.
Same face pa rin.
Yes.
Toto Ascanio is being replaced ngayon by Nasep Ascanio. Box back to back, 3 puntos.
Welcome back sa mga cards ng Publix.
Matagal na hindi mo nakikita, parang at least a little bit over than 5 players, no?
Kaya nga eh.
Box, isa pa, mainit. Wahaha! 3-4-3.
11 oras agad. Nagpakawala.
Magtira pa yun isa pagbalik nila opensa. Alboy, sakto. Hindi, sumobra. Riley rebound. Alboy sa loob ng paint. Isa pa yan kay Bugs. Bawal na daw, bawal na daw. Paul Molina sa labas, no good.
Saber din. Bagong dating. Basket.
Gets the foul out.
Basket no. Ball jersey number 84, first personal foul.
Buti nakabutas na yung kamay niya. Delikado din yan.
Wala pa rin na 3-point play for Xavier.
Dalawang import dati natin lang.
Ayun.
Palitan ng puntos. Ngayon locals na sila.
Ay, almost.
14 seconds. And shoot.
Reverse. Sumobra. Ayaw pumasok.
And shoot.
Boy loses it. And goes out of bounds.
Too much turnover for Kamayan Heat.
Box. Nice drop reverse. Cobra. Deep ground. Xavier. Nice attack. Gets the foul and one. Nakapag-ikot pa. May pectus pa, sir.
Basket count. Foul on jersey number 27. First personal foul.
Palitan ng score.
Another 3-point play for Xavier. Riley putting on the pressure. Nasser finds the window for Anjo. No good. Beyond the deep three. Diretso kay Riley. Kicks it out. Philip. Diretso. Siyempre. 9-11. Ay, bad yan.
Kaya nga, nainili.
Bad yan. Bad remembrance yan. Box with a pull-up. No good. Riley with the rebound.
9-0 run for Kamayan Heat.
For 2 minutes, no? Xavier short. Hands off. Ball sumunod. Nice interception there. Xavier sa pass. He checks the range.
Ako po si Xavier. Mainit din.
Mainit.
Grabing run naman for Xavier.
Nasep, opposite side. John kay Philip. Lumusot si Xavier. Lumulutang pa. Hang time.
Magpapakita talaga si Xavier kung bakit siya yung nakuhang local box.
Sa labas.
Ayon din box.
Tie score tayo, 14.
Palitan ng duo. Atienza. Riley again.
Foul jersey number 13. First personal foul.
First foul by
14
Nasep.
foul.
Nice give and go! Sakto! Kaso ayaw! Na si Anjo, nandito na sa kabila. Sayang play na yun, maganda na yun eh. Just no finish. At nakabawi dito sa kabila side. Si Anjo tumakbo na sa kabila.
14 shot clock.
Paul catch release sa left. Sumobra. Mike. Anong angulo nun? Mahirap pa na hinahanap niya. Paul, nandun na. Umuuna. Dib. Free throw time. Ngayon lang tayo nagka-free throw. 16. Ganun ba?
Oo, ngayon lang.
May dalawang ano,
Ay, si
throw
Xavier pala
si
basket
Xavier.
count.
Foul and shoot. Foul and sa kanya basket eh. That's one down. 17-16.
and shoot.
Xavier sa labas. Isa pang tres sa labas. No good. Pablings leading by 1. Anjo back to back on the arc. Swish!
And shoot.
Side step. Muti ka na. Rebound ni Nasef.
2 minutes left.
Fox trailing from behind. Deep check. No good. Isa pa. Ngayon may hang time. Bump. Foul. Woohoo. 2 fouls na for Box.
Number 84. Personal foul. 2 shots.
Anjo sets up for the 3. No good, slightly short. Oh boy, hop steps.
For double lane violation.
If nakahop siya first sa dribble niya, tapos maglabas siya isa, dun yung pwede lang siguro yun. Mahirap kasi yan, parang some things you have to think about. We check, labas, likod. 1 minute for the first quarter.
1 minute left.
Philip, titira na yan agad. Oh, good. Oh, hiccup.
50 seconds. 45. 14 in the shot clock.
Extra pass.
40 seconds.
Gets
Is
it.
two.
Anjo gets 2. Dos con Anjo.
30 seconds. 14 on the shot clock.
Fade away elbow, no good.
20.
25 lang.
15. 10.
Mike sa labas.
1.
Ayaw. End of first quarter. Score 5-8.
In favor of Blitz.
Guapings. Guapings. And Pablings leading by 18-25. That is 7 points.
Malakas talaga yung Pablings. No?
Oo.
Yung mas malakas to pag kompleto. Parang ikaw na lang kulang, Doy. Doy, ikaw na lang kulang.
Uy, wala ako pa kulang. Enriquez ako doon, hindi ako Kong. Hindi ako.
Injured pa to, kuya? Injured pa to? Palta shooter!
Nakita mo yung poko-poko lang sila na pa-blinks. Sige, pakinggan ng kaayo todo. Defensa, both
The Mayan
sides.
Heat ball.
Second quarter na tayo. Paul sa dulo. Ando lang si Waldy.
14 on the shot clock.
Balik kay Paul. Ay. Nakapaglabas ang bola. I-check din ulit dito sa Pablings. Dito si Mike Bo.
Tambak na naman yung kalaban.
Edson, pakitang gila sa kabila, air ball. Sobra lang sa right. Ball, finds Mike again. Perimeter long two, no good. Janner finds a one-hander, no good. Bounce pass, finds Nasip, but just goes over. Waldy gets glass and gets it down.
Ang likod ni Walby, no? Ang bilis niya magbaba. Ayun na naman si Walby.
Number 2.
Nawala ang live.
Ang
Akala
music nawala. Tinanggal niya.
Out of bounds lang. Mayan still behind by 6. Out to Janier, one more pass for Paul outside. Diretso kay Henson, 4-2.
Parang naging assist yun ah.
Rebound. 4 points na lang. Off the pick.
14 on the shot
Drops
clock.
it on for Nasip. No good. We have to kick it out.
Number 2.
Out to Paul. Goes 3. Swished it down. Sa labas. Kulang na. Sino pang walang punto sa mga kong? Henson, meron na. Gib, wala pa. Si Jib, meron na ba? Wala pa. Wala, meron na. 1. Free throw. Philip. No look pass. Nasip, dive.
Traveling by King.
Goes for the travel. Jenner, 3 away. Putting it down by 4. Nice backdoor reverse, just not getting in.
Column 1, first personal foul.
May tira 3 points. Tira 3 points yun. 7
Jenner. Nakapag-chagis ng foul.
Foul jersey number 13, first personal foul.
And that is a 2-point play on the free throw line there for Jenner. Closing the gap down to 2, 29 to 31. Ryan.
14 in the shot.
Back to Ryan. Back to Paul.
Time to shoot.
Fade away. Short of the attempt.
Here comes Johnner.
Double. But still finds glass. Walang problema sa akin dito. 5-ball game na.
Foul on jersey number 13, second personal foul. Time to shoot.
Epidemic
Foul
na.
on jersey number 13, that's your third personal foul.
Di si Clenson yung eldest.
Yes. Nanay kong eldest.
Sa lahat.
Oo. Ikalawa siya sa... Isang eldest sa boys.
Mga ilang taon na si Clenson?
Actually, hindi ko maalala eh.
Meron na 50? Wala pa.
50.
Official running score, Pitlock, 33.
Isipin mo, naglalaro pa rin ba? Tatakbo pa nga.
Malakas pa talaga.
Time to shoot.
Ano kasi? Uy! Pomolina! Buhay na buhay!
Sabi niya, binabangga niyo ako tirahin ko kayo.
Mike, tumusot sa loob. Wale. Nice foul for Ryan there.
Foul on jersey number 24,
Itong pamilya na to, sport.
first personal foul, charge side out.
Sporty to lahat.
Kamayan Heat.
May sport talaga yan lahat.
Time out. Score 34 to 31.
Agad, kita mo, palta pa ko palta. Agad, kita mo, habla palta.
Runner! Labas na labas. Ipasok niya ang tres.
Step back yun.
Mike, ibawiin niya. Wale. Tapon agad. Hindi maabot ni Waldy. Lumusot. Mabogol sa kumayan.
Si Mike tapos si Kuya Paul. Or si Kuya Paul tapos si Mike.
Mike muna.
14 seconds.
Oh, hindi. Wale. Wala lang tumama sa glass. Bounce the same ball.
Same ball, 12 seconds, 12 to shoot.
Kamayang the ball. 3 minutes 26, leading by 6. Labas si Wally. Lets it fly, no good. Short. Diretso kay Nasser. Labas kay Paul. Back to Wally. Finds Nasser. Pasok. Waldy goes low. Jenner throws it up.
Single.
And down 13 on the shot.
13 seconds set up. 14-2. Back to shoot. 5.
Jenner still holds it down. Gets the basket in. Tough, but makes it in. Holds it on. Post give, will go drive at the foul all the way up.
Grabing foul yun.
Foul jersey number 27. First personal foul.
Nice one. Supportive talagang kapatid. Nin Hassan still in the building. And so gets one shot, finds Glass. Ay, hindi nakapaghawak sa rebound.
Dalawang kong sa alimado.
Give, finds straight lay, just not right.
Foul jersey number 23. First personal foul jersey number 23.
Waldy goes up, so good.
Foul jersey number 23, second personal foul.
Philip takes away, turns it over.
Laman lang pala yung kamay yan.
Amang by 5.
1 minute left.
And so, long 2, gets the net.
Out. 45 seconds.
Gets 2 for Mike.
40 seconds.
Waldy gets
14
through.
in the system, 30 seconds.
And that's a foul on Nasser.
99 seconds left.
Amo yung get yung favorite so yun, no?
Favorite niya yun.
Low pick up to spin.
Ano?
Oo, kaso nandun si Nasep eh. We shoot for 2. Ay, tansaya lang ora ba? Pwede man cancel lang poko. Pwede mo tan bully at amin.
Bullying tito.
Nansin na lang sa'yo. Nansin sila. Hindi man sa'yo. Foul. Nansin sila naman sa'yo.
Bully si tito.
Tapping lang sa'yo. Holding. Holding.
Foul jersey number 23. That's your third personal foul. Penalty. 22. 20 seconds. 15. Conversion for 8. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. 15 seconds left.
Lambingan.
Pagkapatid sa lambingan.
Fifteen seconds.
15 seconds left.
40 to 37. Namang by 3.
Play.
Finds Henson. Denied by Gibb.
Point.
Gets it down as the time runs down.
And that's the end of the first half.
And the first half, score 40 to 39. Pablinks lay it down here with giving it with a difference of 1 point, 40 to 39. Ha?
Secret.
Nag-chat kasi kami. Kaya hindi mo malaman.
Hindi yun. Ate. Ayaw niya ng suki.
Team Pablinks kasi siya. Tingnan mo, nakayalo.
Public dropping ball.
Team Pablinks nga. Bias to bias camera.
Kasama namin. Report.
Binabayad yan. Wala man silang ngayon.
All team kami, naka-black short. No.
Black short. Mike, balik kay Jib. Kicks it out, finds backs. No good. Third quarter na po tayo. Scores 40-39. 1 point lead for Kamayan Heat. Jenner outside the arc. Short. Off all the way to the opposite end for Mike. Yay. Nice tap from behind, but straight to Alboy. 4 to 3. Nope. Tahimik lang daw muna.
Ayaw pumasok.
Wala pa. He checks, si box na naman. 4! First basket niya pasok. First.
First basket niya din sa third, pasok.
Support na. Tingnan
Ewan
mo.
na lang.
14 on the shot clock.
Boy. Aray.
Single 13 second shot clock. 13 to shoot. Plan to shoot.
Xavier. Small pull-up. Tib. And Janner will not let him through and gets the foul.
First personal foul.
Dalawang 5 yan, just so you know. Mike Apostol. Short. Finds the bounce. Riley will kick it out. Alboy. No good. Andun si Mike. Nakatago. Kaso, munti ka na. Janner libre.
Magandang pasa, nalito lahat.
Official running score deadline 44.
Mike outside. Back to Paul. Steps in 4-2. Goes over, but Jib with the rebound. Palabas kay box. Glass, ayaw din. Abot. .44, 42. Outside to Anjo. Fires a three. Swish here. 44, 45.
In the second half. And the shoot. 5.
Fade away. Riley saves it. Straight to
And the
Albo.
shoot.
Drops it
What
down.
a boss.
Great for 2. Constitution. Yes, for 2.
And great D for the side of Kamayan, converting it for 2. Leading by 3.
Ayun na lang.
And crazy box, pang tie ulit. Ayaw talaga mo pa ba yan? Yan shot si Paul. Paul.
Nandun si Popol.
Jib with a nice long strike. Gets it down.
Akire, pwede po niyo.
Xavier drops it. Finds Jenner. No good. Goes up again. Gets
Yes,
it
for
down.
2.
Oh.
Jib straight away. Lane, no good. Just slightly short on the way up. 4. Oh boy. Finds Jenner. And gets a foul.
Basket count. Foul on jersey number 14. First personal foul. Substitution.
Leading by 2 here for Kamayan. Gibb goes in for a fast drive, just too much. Oh boy, drops it to Briley, kicks it out. 4-3. No good. Riley will tap it, straight to Alboy.
And the shoot.
Short on Jenner. Opposite side.
14 on the shot.
Foul on Briley on the way
Foul
up.
on jersey number 5. Second personal foul.
Mike, what's up, Mike? Maybe ba?
2-4 backs.
Constitution.
Tying the score again at 52.
Mainit kasi, no?
Shot clock, no yan run. Shot clock.
Shot clock, shot clock. Pistol.
And the shoot.
Xavier. No good. Box. Side step. Labas ng 3. Sumobra. Hard and step back yun. Ang layo ng side step niya.
Ang laking step back naman yan.
Oh, layo talaga nun eh.
For big. Ano ba yan?
For big.
Bigs?
Hindi man din siya big. Parang labas mang laro niya.
Hindi. Sa laki hindi yan yung big.
Oh, yan ang ibig sabihin mo, big.
For ano ba? Big na tao ba?
Oh.
Molina.
No good. Sa labas. Mira también todo. Huh? Ball is good. Riley pull up. Short.
Kalawa ito nga.
Anjo sa corner, iniwan. No good. Rebounding, diretso sa gym. Ayaw pa rin. Ay, pero buti naabutan pa.
Napaganda pa. Stop. Good defense.
Tamang lugar lang si Paul nun. Box, Jib, Mike. Oh! Love. Relax. Lambingan lang yun para sa kanila.
Foul jersey number 8, second personal foul.
Full swing, Manggel. Nice D. Payon.
Ba't ka tumatawa? Ang lakas ng tawa na.
It's a family thing.
Iba yun, wala na.
Kapag ibang tao, wala na yun. Pero sila lang kasi, it's a family thing. Normal lang yun sa bahay.
Kuya things, kuya.
Wow.
Bawal ka mag-ano kay kuya.
Sige ka.
Substitution.
Basket kill eh. One lang. 54-53. Leading by 1 here, third quarter. 2 minutes and 13 left for the time. Oh boy. Finds himself. Oops.
14 on the tip off.
Xavier to the left corner.
And the
Beautiful
shoot.
passing. One more out. Xavier with the finish. No, he does not.
One minute and 50 seconds.
Mike still recovers
14 on
himself.
the tip off. And the shoot.
Jib will take it to glass.
5.
Hey! Down the wire for Pablings with backs outside 3.
Grabe talaga si Bucks ngayon. Last time pa to siya, di ba?
Oh, step back, finds Xavier
Here's your two.
on the right spot for the 2.
Palitan ng kalamangan.
Watching from Bonggao, Tawi-Tawi. Shoutout po sa inyo, Manik sa Bubakar.
And the shoot.
Apostol.
Seconds to play. 55 seconds. Substitution, Colin Burson, number 27. Second personal foul, Burson, number 27. Second personal foul. 54 seconds.
54 seconds left in the third with 56 on the score. Deadlock.
50.
Ball open to Mira. Uwian na.
35 seconds left.
Din, 56 all pa lang.
Pag sabi ko uwian na, lumagpas. 40. Mike Apostol. One-hander. And pasok lang. Yung public stop na rin sa ilalim. Sabay din ng kay Mike, tatlo na din nag-antay sa ilalim.
First basket pala ni Mike.
Ay, oo.
20.
Last basket here. Opportunity for Kamayan Heat.
15. 10. 5.
Oh boy, finds Briley. No good. Actually, diretso na yun sana ni Briley. Kaso nakita mo yun, dinlagyan niya ng pectus. Yun lang. Kapag diretso roll yun, papasok, may chance pa yung papasok.
58 in favor of Public Booking.
And we're gonna go to the fourth and final quarter. We score 56-58, leading by 2 in favor of Pablings. Stress. Grabe. Kasi bind ko. Gusto mo i-trapo muna natin yan? Yeah, kasi yan sa wala na yan sa job description. Sige lang.
Para may trail pa, may trail.
Madaming turnover na yan mamaya. Depende rin sa kanila, gusto nila, parang gusto pa nila ma-feel eh.
Para may trail. Walty wide open. No good.
Savior. Umiikot para sa rebound.
And no good for Edson.
Mike. Goes for spin move. Saktong draw foul yun eh. Go siya right.
Foul
Alam niya
versus
mag si Savior sa ano na to. Habang yun. Spin move tira kaya. Expected mababanggaan yun on the way up. Mapafoul ka nun eh.
Expected na talaga yun.
Beat yun eh. That's one. 36-59, leading by 3.
On the signal.
Oh boy, catch release on the 3. Mike outside, switching it to Mike, and to box, corner 3! Grabe naman, Sir Box. Ilan tres gusto mo ipasok ngayon laro?
Si Box, nakakasampung tres na.
Palitan na nga ng game plan nila eh. Si Box sa labas ng laro niya, hindi na daw sa loob.
14 on the signal. Good for
Here,
you.
Basta
lumusot.
pa maglalaro sa loob, ang dami nyo ng bigs, no?
True, no?
Bale, ano na yan siya, oh, pang option.
Oh, second option niya.
Pero ngayon, option talaga siya sa scoring.
As of now, oh. Titira yan. Okay lang.
Okay lang, i-check lang yun.
Savior, take it
Wow.
all the way.
Get her two.
60-62.
And the two.
Anjo with a 3. Save the box. Advantage. Kawawa.
Sab.
Foul jersey number 38, substitution. Jersey number 23, that's your fourth personal foul.
Fourth foul na. Uy, palta. Palta.
And the shoot.
Yung 4 lang man. Blocked away.
Single 7 seconds to go.
Spantapakin.
7 to shoot. Five to shoot.
Waldy out the 3.
On the shot.
Son finds the entry. Nasep rebounds. Almost makes it in. Xavier gets the feet. And goal turns it over.
Simple.
Jenner goes up. Briley takes it. Goes a 3. No good as well. Briley left. Gets the foul.
Third personal foul, jersey number 84.
Jim finds the angle, but sumobra. Nasif with the secure. Nice stop by Xavier. Bawal dito. No, no, sir. Kita-kita. No, no finger. Give straight to the rim. 60 to 64. Leading by 4. Jenner will take it outside the arc. Nasem finds Mike. Drops it off to backs. And a fall on Xavier on the floor.
Jersey number 34, second personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution.
Ganda na yun, sayang sinasit. Box top shot. Jenner goes up the way down.
Basket down. Foul jersey number 27. That's your third personal foul.
Three-point play for Jenner. Willing down by 1. Defensive end here for
14 seconds.
Kamayan Heat. Switching it to man-to-man.
And shoot.
And Mike slips through 4-2.
And shoot.
Oh boy, outside, just short.
Talaga, for Alboy.
Foul person number 13, second personal foul. Card 7, complete scooping.
And timeout here for Pabling. Score 63-66. Ano yun? YouTube yun?
Facebook.
Si Mike. Ang order kasi, nanay ko, Enson, J-Boy, nasa States. Tapos si
Mike.
si Mike, Paul, tapos ang Kambal.
One girl lang pala. Mag-isang babae.
Yun, dalawa sila babae. Yun bago lang namatay. Yun,
Ay, oo pala.
bunso yun. Yun ang bunso. Bunso na babae. Bunso ang mga kambal. Akala kasi isa lang. Akala nila isa lang. Dalawa man lumabas.
Single. 12 seconds shot clock.
So si Lucky number 7 naging 8 man. 8 lang for sa Chino.
And shoot.
Xavier, pull up.
That's 2.
65-66.
Fourteen on the shot clock. And shoot.
Jib fights a straightaway, no good. Oh boy, finger rolls it in. Leading now 6-7, 6-6.
Lamang na yung Kamayan Heat. Importante to, wins for Pablings para mabuhay yung standing nila.
Dapat straight na sila mananalo actually.
And shoot. Out of bounds. Fourteen on the shot clock. And shoot. Foul jersey number 5. That's your third personal foul. 13 fouls.
Crucial na po talaga tayo.
Oo, 1 point lead lang to for Kamayan Heat.
And shoot.
Mike, pasok! Ngayon pa lumalabas si Apostol.
Crucial na dress for Apostol yun.
Janner can get through. Oh boy. Wala din.
For Alboy. Kanina pa yung for Alboy.
Mike goes straight for the rim, gets it down. now 67-71, leading by 4.
21 seconds.
Kasi nila, mas pinasali si Hermano. Cheto, pasok ka lang kayo. Sorry dyan. Yeah, spin lang.
Ganun-ganun mo, lamang yung Pablo. Guapings. Email ka pa mamaya, no?
Uy, isang laro lang din.
Mismo.
Kasi pag ikalawa na gumagano, no? Umantok na doon. DC na. AFK. Nag-ibang pagtulog. Kapag lahat close range kalaban mo mag-export ka na. Zone ka lang sa lane mo. Kapet ko.
14 seconds.
6-7-71. Back sa kabila.
14 seconds.
Box.
2 minutes.
Hanap pa ng foul kay Briley. 4 na foul na yan
Foul
sa'yo.
number 5, substitution. Third number 5, that's your fourth personal foul.
4 na.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty din. Delikado to sa kamayan.
1 minute na.
Si Chip, nanonood muna before mag-uwi. Shoutout kayo, Chip. That's 6-7-72. Leading by 5. Xavier. That's a foul there.
Foul person number 14. Second personal foul, person number 14. Warning for penalty.
Malayo pa yan. Dalawang press lang yan.
Gets the second one down.
Yun yung mahirap. Yung scoring ni Aldo yung nawala, no?
Actually, playmaking na lang magawa niya or maghanap siya ng second wind.
14 on the signal.
Penalty.
Foul person number 77. Penalty.
Six, 8-73, back to 5. Nice tap. Dalawang tao, isa pa.
Penalty.
Janner sumasabay sa labay.
1 minute and 9 seconds. Foul person number 5, that's your third personal foul, penalty.
Crucial free throw to for Gibbs. Shooter naman yan.
Seventy 74. That's 2. Leading by 5 again. 75, grado ko yan sa report card. Bagsak.
1 minute left.
Sa paano 75. Okay lang yan.
25 seconds.
Xavier.
3 seconds.
No 3. Same ball possession.
Foul jersey number
14.
15.
14.
14. That's our first personal foul. Penalty. Forty-five seconds. 40 seconds. 14 on the shot clock.
Lumusod si Mike. Nangisda ng foul.
Foul
Binin.
jersey number 34. Charge penalty. Kamayan Heat.
Kamaya with the timeout here.
Remaining time 32
71
seconds.
to 75.
Official record score 71-75 in favor of Pablings Gopings.
Practice shooting niya. The timeout. Penalty. Hey.
Charge penalty, Kamayan Heat.
71,
No more timeouts for
7.
Kamayan Heat. No more time. Fourteen on the shot clock.
71, 7-7. 6 in the lead, 32 left on the time, 14 on the shot clock.
Seconds.
Xavier.
Fifteen.
Mike.
And the voting, the team shooting.
And that is the game, 71 to 79. Winner ninyo for the second game is Pablings Guapings. Thank you very much. Was splendid, strong performance here for Box Abubakar out beyond the arc. And nonetheless for Pablings Guapings as well. Thank you very much for everyone tuning in here sa ating Wednesday League. For tonight, thank you very much for continued support dito sa amin and see you all till next time. Bye-bye!